A beautifully updated 4-bedroom home situated within a family-minded community of Central Ajax. Welcome to 45 Willcocks Crescent. Featuring a brick exterior, 2-car garage, and an interlocking walkway lined with perennial beds to its covered front porch, this home opens into a porcelain-tiled entrance foyer and a main level showcasing gorgeous dark hardwood flooring in the principal living spaces, porcelain flooring in the kitchen, smooth ceilings with pot lighting, as well as a soft, neutral decor throughout. This level has a wonderful open-themed flow, and both large-scale gatherings or intimate get-togethers with family and friends are easily enjoyed in the elegant entertaining spaces of the combined formal living and dining areas. Across the hall is the cozy setting of the breakfast area, which is open to a stunningly updated and modern custom kitchen. Designed with functionality and beauty in mind, this workspace showcases a center island with a bar fridge and wine rack, stainless steel fridge, double undermount sink, as well as built-in gas cooktop, wall oven and microwave, granite counters and stone-tiled backsplashes, light-colored cabinetry with valance lighting, display shelves, and a wall pantry with glass-paneled upper accent doors, as well as raised breakfast bar seating at the peninsula. Adding a cozy touch to these spaces is a corner gas fireplace in the living room that is surrounded by a custom mantel with built-in display and media shelving, its warmth complementing the bright natural lighting through the southwesterly exposure here and in the kitchen. The sliding door walkout opens onto a partially covered deck with glass and wood railing, an ideal outdoor entertaining space with a relaxing hot tub for year-round enjoyment, while the fully fenced backyard has plenty of room for children at play and for gardening. Enhancing this level's spaciousness is an open-tread hardwood staircase to the upper level featuring floor-to-railing wrought iron spindles in lieu of a wall. And completing the main level is an elegant powder room, a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and a stone-tiled backsplash surrounding the laundry tub, as well as a mirrored door double coat closet and access to the garage, all found off the foyer entrance. The upper level features dark hardwood flooring throughout, a large linen closet, crown moldings in all 4 bedrooms, as well as 2 beautifully updated washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are quite spacious and naturally bright, and feature a walk-in closet in the 3rd bedroom with double closets in the other 2. And all share the 5-piece main washroom, which features a tiled floor, pot lighting, a tiled bath area with mosaic tiled accents, as well as a marble-topped vanity with dual basins. The master bedroom is very generous in its size and features a large walk-in closet with organizers and its own 4-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor, as well as a tiled bath and shower area with mosaic tiled accents, a jetted tub, and sliding glass shower doors. Families have many schools to choose from, including Dr. Roberta Bondar Public School, St. Catherine of Siena Catholic Elementary School, and J. Clark Richardson Collegiate Institute, as well as Cataraqui Public School, St. Patrick Catholic Elementary School, Ajax High School, and Notre Dame Catholic Secondary School for their French immersion programs. For active lifestyles, there are numerous walking trails throughout the surrounding neighborhood green spaces, while the McLean Community Center and Millers Creek Park are a short walk away. The lower level has been finished with the same attention to detail and showcases quality laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout. The secondary kitchen is just as stunning as the main household kitchen, featuring a center island with breakfast seating, quartz countertops, a glass and stone tiled backsplash, light-colored cabinetry with valance lighting, display shelving, and a wall pantry with glass-paneled uppers, as well as stainless steel undermount sink and appliances. The family recreation area is incredibly spacious, offering plenty of room to suit personal or family needs, and this level also has a cold room, storage space, and a rough-in for a washroom. This home is close to many amenities, including public transit, the Westney Heights and Durham Center shopping plazas, as well as the Greenwood Conservation Area and the Deer Creek Golf Course, with the Ajax GO Station, access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront parks just short drives away.